So today I will talk a little bit about Tableau. Tableau is a visual analytics platform and it's very simple to use. You just need to drag the fields onto the canvas to get the visuals.
On my side, I'll be talking about Power BI, and Power BI is a Microsoft Business Intelligence platform, and it helps companies to connect data from different data sources and create stunning visualizations that bring some insights to our business users.
Yes, I think both tools solve the same problem in the companies, that is having data but don't understand the data. And I think Tableau is the best tool to explore the data due to its unique technologies.
Yeah, the best seems too much to me because defending my side, which is Power BI, yeah, I agree with the biggest problem of the companies is they have a lot of data, but they don't know what this data is. The data is not clean, the data is not trusted, and we cannot turn that data into decisions in an easy way. So yeah, Power BI solves that, providing the users with a single source of truth, where the users can open reports right inside Teams and PowerPoint. And the real problem that Power BI solves is transforming scattered data into decisions.
Yes, but everything that Power BI does, Tableau does, but does better, And many people say that, Power BI is very good because it has the Power Query that is similar to Excel. But in the case of Tableau, we have Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep is a low-code tool. So even people that are not very well experienced in data preparation can create a flow in the Tableau Prep and data sources with relationships and joins and calculated fields in a very easy way.
Yeah, and spend a few more dollars to do that. In Power BI, we have it directly inside Power BI because we have Power Query. And by the way, it's the same engine that we have in Excel. So I would say millions of people around the world already know how to use Power Query, and that's it. You build a model within Power Query. You build it once, you publish it to the service, and that's it. Anyone can use the same data source.
I agree with you that Power Query is a great tool, but Power Query is a thing under the hood. The thing that everyone sees in a data visualization tool is the visual analytics part. And regarding creating visuals, I think Tableau is unmatched because Tableau was created for it. Everything that you can create in Tableau, you can't create in Power BI. And you can see in the Tableau public gallery, if you went there, you will see stunning visuals that you can't find anywhere.
Yeah, I can agree with you with that because, yeah, Tableau is gorgeous, but gorgeous isn't the only thing. You have all the modeling behind it, all the calculations, all the relationships, the governance, and this is one of the strengths of Power BI. And not only that, regarding the visuals, Power BI have a bunch of native visuals right inside the Power BI desktop, but also we have a marketplace where we have custom visuals, a lot of them certified by Microsoft. If you are looking for a highly customized visuals, we have the NAB that uses Vega and Vega-like language, but SVG, HTML, CSS, we have a bunch of options that we can use to create also stunning visuals within Power BI.
So you are saying that what Power BI delivers is not enough to build these stunning visualizations, because if I need to go to the marketplace to download the extensions to create the same level of visuals, I think
if you want something
that is lacking, right?
Yeah, but if you want something highly customizable, you won't find anyone that. But Power BI does this option to you. You can choose use it or not. But if you choose to use it, you can do it.
Yeah. Well, I think we can agree with that. But you also mentioned semantic models, and yes, I agree. At the heart of any analytic solution nowadays is the semantic model. And I think Tableau is very well served about this topic because we have there the Tableau semantics where we can create the data models, I can create there all the calculated fields, I can describe the fields, I can create the taxonomy and the ontology of the data, and I can share this semantic model with all the users of the platform, and I can use the same semantic models for AI agents.
Yeah, you touch a really nice point now because semantic models is the thing that we need to care the most nowadays, mainly because the AI agents. And in Power BI, it's super important that we have a special care with the semantic models because Microsoft just made official Fabric AQ. And on top of that, we have the ontologies. We can teach the AI on how to navigate through our business logic, not only through our data, our business conceptions that we have inside, and teach them like a human agent would do when looking to a report, just to reason on the right numbers and the right definitions.
Yes, and I think that the best use case to consume a semantic model is through conversational analytics. And I think in this topic, Tableau is way ahead of Power BI because Tableau has a philosophy of a headless architecture, which means that Tableau open the semantic model for any tool through MCP. So if I'm user of Claude or ChatGPT, I can connect to my Tableau site and get insights in the plain language.
Yeah, in this topic, Power BI also have an MCP server that we can use to connect our model to an AI agent. But here, I would split it in two layers. The first layer, which is the copilot that we have inside Power BI, where we can ask for some reports and some summaries regarding our data. And we have also this second layer, which is when we connect, for example, our model with Cloud Code or GitHub Copilot, where we can just in natural language to ask them to build a whole report from scratch, and he will do it. So the agent does the typing, we do the thinking.
Both are great tools, but in my opinion, if you really want to see and understand the data, and if you really want to have a semantic model that is useful for AI agents, Tableau is the way to go.
Yeah, and if you want analytics that lives everywhere, scaled to the whole company, and it's plugged into the Microsoft end-to-end ecosystem, you for sure should go with Power BI. But at the end of the day, no matter which tool you choose to use, I'm pretty sure either one will do the job really well.
I agree with you. Thank you. Thank you.